Oh my goodness. So we're going out. My friend's daughter's birthday is today, so that's where we're going. After that, I'll be taking my son to his basketball game class today, and we'll come back home, probably open some packages, because I have some packages from I believe from Walmart and Ikea. Yes. And then I'm trying to go to Bath and Body Works today because they're having a sale. By the way, guys, this thing I'm wearing is from Fashion Nova, and it is so beautiful, soft on the skin. I love it. I'm gonna insert a picture here so you guys can see. It's shorts, so but it's very nice for everyday wear at home or running errands. So yeah. Yes, like I said, oh my god, it's so hot. Let me put the AC on. Like I was saying, I want to go to Bath and Body Works today because they're having their semi-annual sale, and they have wallflowers and hand soaps, which are my favorites to buy from Bath and Body Works, for $2.95. You can't beat that price. So I'm thinking of going there. Hopefully I can make it. I'm already late to where I'm going. But yeah, that will be it for today. I think that's all I got to do. Nothing much. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the store. Okay? Hopefully we can go. Hopefully. If we can't make it, that's okay. But cross my fingers. Fingers crossed. What? Take a picture.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
Let me see what you got. That's what you got? I don't think Sissy's gonna like that. Sissy's gonna like that?
Yeah, she likes Baby Shark.
Okay. So, came to Walmart and we got a couple of gifts for Sissy. That's the birthday girl. She's not doing a party. We're just going. We just getting her gifts and dropping it off over there. It's nothing like a party. But yeah.
The baby got to see the picture.
Yay! Baby shark!
It's us.
Knock knock.
Happy birthday, birthday girl.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sissy. Happy birthday. Say birthday girl. Birthday girl. Look at you. Wait now. What's your problem? Birthday girl. Look at me. Look, say hi.
Hi.
How you doing? That's my niece. Yeah.
And I got to the second level.
Oh my god, look at the decoration. Sissy, this cake is so beautiful.
Sissy.
Hi.
Baby Shark. Yeah. Sissy does not like Baby Shark.
Sissy, you like your gift?
No, she does not.
Yeah? How cute. Alright. I'm so tired. I need to go to the bathroom.
Uncle David's there.
No, this one?
That one's car.
Hi. She's shawarma.
Happy birthday.
Shawarma.
Birthday girl mom is here.
Yes, so That's the birthday girl's mom.
How sexy today.
Okay, you are not serious though. What is this for? Oh, Mohammed and Junior. Oh, Aisha is coming.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You just baked this cake. Look at me. She's 2, guys. She is 2 years old. Isn't she pretty? She's so cute.
What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Hey, why? Hey, 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 Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sissy. Happy birthday to you. Wow. Hey guys, so we didn't end up going to the playground. I didn't end up going to Bath and Body Works, so we're at the playground right now just for the kids to play. We ended up doing a party. Fortunately, it was nice. It was a very small one, just us, me, Aisha, and the birthday girl's mom, and a couple of kids. Okay, so yeah, that's what happened. But now we are here. Brought them to this very nice playground to play. This place is so big. There is some people playing soccer over there and over there. Are you scared to come down?
I don't even know how they got there.
Don't fall. Big dino. Yes. Mommy and Junior.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase,
Get out?
told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page.
Guys, so we're back home, and yeah, what time is it? It's like 11 o'clock. The kids have taken their shower, and now I'm just gonna open this thing that I got from Ikea. This is just a board that I got for the kids to write on. So it basically have a blackboard on this side and then a whiteboard on this side. Very big. So yeah, and then it opens up. It's like it has 2 sides. So this is basically what it is supposed to look like. I think it comes with screws. So I'm gonna screw this part and this part together, and yeah, that's it. Look, it's like very big. We used to have a board like this, but that was smaller, and then I don't know what happened to it. But yeah, this is gonna come in handy, and it comes with these things that you can just put or fix somewhere below over there, screw below, and you can basically use this to put your chalks, pencils, pens, you know, everything that you're gonna use to draw. And yeah, I also got this. that can also be mounted here, just in case my son wants to draw something on the paper. It's like a drawing paper, so you can mount it on this side, and then if he wants to draw stuffs on the paper, that can be kept for later, because on the board, the only thing you can write stuff there, he can draw stuffs, but it will have to be erased, you know. So but with this, it can be kept, and he's a good artist right now. He's doing really good, so I got this for that. And basically that is it. I'm gonna put that together later, but before I go, I have a Walmart package as well. I'm so excited about this package because it's a wok. Is it a wok? Yes, a wok. A wok pan. Like the, you know how like the Chinese pans that you use to do deep fryings, and also fried rice and stuff like that, you know. But look how big the box is. I'm like, why would they put this in such a big box? This box is so big, and it's just this that come out of it, but that's okay. I don't mind, you know, for extra security. I don't mind. So yeah. Whoa, this thing has a lot of reviews, good ones on Walmart, so I decided to get it. So it comes with some utensils, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, that's good. So look, and then another 2. This is a whisk. This one I think is for spaghetti or something, I don't know. And you have this big spoon, another spoon that has holes in it, and then you have this. I love this because of the bamboo style. And then you have this for picking up meat, like especially while you're grilling. And look at the pan. It came inside this bag, and then they even secured it furthermore, which is good. Ooh! Look, I forgot about this. Look how this looks. It is so pretty. Shiny. I need this. And this just to clean. I can use this to clean my sink, and I can use it to wash my dishes, you know. So yeah. And wow, this one I think it's for the lid. Yeah, so yeah, that's for the lid. I have to put that together. Whoa. Yay. And it came with a glass lid, and it also comes with this type of lid, so like you can choose either. So I decided to go with this because I just don't want to go with the glass lid. I don't know, but this is pretty good. And this is a 13-inch wok, I believe. Yeah, 13 inches. So I'm gonna have to, I think this goes here. There you go. We'll have to screw that. And I forgot where these go, but I'm gonna have to fix it. But basically this is what it looks like. If I'm not mistaken, I think this goes somewhere around here. I don't know, but we'll figure that out. But this is what it looks like. So pretty. And it is what is it called, non-stick. So I love that about it, because I'm not about to struggle trying to take sticky food out of my pan. So it's super heavy. I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's from Walmart online, so just in case somebody wants it. But yeah, I like it. I love it. I love it. And what is this? Ooh, an apron. I don't have a black apron. I didn't even know it comes with this. Yes, Chef Binta is ready. Madame is ready. That is it for my Walmart package and my Ikea package. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get ready for bed. My kids are already taking their shower, so I'm about to go take my shower and then go to bed. It's late and I'm tired. We've been out all day. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.